Hi, I'm Ava Creech. I was B Cam Op in First AC. I think this crew was just amazing to work with, and I came in like halfway through the shoot for just the last few days, and I was really just welcomed by everyone. One way that Sound of Faith was different from other sets I've worked on is this was the only set I've been on where the whole crew was living together for like the duration of the shoot. We all got to basically experience life together for a week, and it was so much fun. It was just like a big sleepover most of the time. Crafty was great, always appreciate that. Just coming straight on set and just being able to, having a great system and being able to get everything done like that really, I think, prepared me for a lot of the other sets I would work on. I think our wrap party was a lot of fun. I'm very excited to see how it all cuts together, and I love the fact that you're incorporating like live music into this film. Yeah, that's gonna be really cool to see how that's edited together.